Burning the dead human bodies in the open air on a pyre made of wood is an ancient rite and practice in Hinduism. Traditionally, cremation is performed using firewood. Cremation of a single person requires 300 kg of firewood, which is equivalent of 2 fully grown trees that takes at least 15 years to grow. Electrical and diesel-based crematorium are also being used as an alternative to firewood-based cremation. But the closed chamber design of this crematorium does not allow performing traditional rituals like Mukhagni, Kapal Kriya, which are culturally considered essential for liberation of soul as per Hindu Shastra. Since the last rites of a loved one are understandably a very sentimental issue, these non-traditional electrical and diesel cremations are not much accepted by the society at large. In order to provide an eco-friendly solution and to facilitate traditional Hindu rituals during cremation, the scientists at ICR Sircot, Mumbai have developed briquette-based, eco-friendly, efficient and rapid-burning green crematorium as an alternative to traditional firewood-based cremation. Briquettes made from agricultural biomass like cotton stalk, sugarcane bagasse, groundnut and castor seed shells, rice husk and paddy straw can be used as greener and renewable alternative for firewood in cremation. The ICR Sircot crematorium consists of a compact trapezoidal shaped cage and a forced draft aeration system for supply of air for rapid initiation of fire and for enhanced combustion process. The forced air required for combustion during cremation process is supplied through single-phase electric fan to an aeration chamber, which distributes air at the bottom and two sides of cage through manifold pipes and subsequently to individual pipes having holes. This crematorium can also be used without forced draft aeration system. ICR Sircot Green Crematorium has many advantages over the traditional firewood cremation. The first and foremost advantage of ICR Sircot Crematorium is requirement of only 200 kg of biomass briquettes as compared to 300 kg of firewood for traditional cremation. Traditional wood cremation requires 300 kg firewood, 5 litre of kerosene, 1 kg camphor, 2 kg ghee, amounting to Rs 5,500. However, using Sircot crematorium, it requires 200 kg of biomass briquettes, half kg camphor, 1 kg ghee. Sircot crematorium does not require kerosene. The cost of this cremation comes to Rs 2,500. That is almost 55% of cost saving per cremation can be attained, making it reasonably economical and eco-friendly. In India, about 75 lakh cremations take place annually. Saving per cremation using ICR Sircot Green Crematorium in comparison with cremation using firewood is Rs 3,000, resulting in annual saving of Rs 2,250 crores. In addition, saving of 300 kg firewood per cremation will save 22.5 lakh tons of firewood, that is 150 lakh trees per annum. The noble use of biomass briquettes for cremation has created opportunities for promotion of rural-based industries and employment generation in rural areas. The demand for 15 lakh tons of briquettes for cremation will create 1.5 lakh additional employment opportunities in India. The utilization of cotton stalks and other agro-residues-based briquettes is a step towards doubling the farmer's income. Cotton farmers can get 1,000 rupees per ton by selling of cotton stalks produced in their field. Thus, an additional income of Rs 150 crores can be generated annually by the Indian farmers. The investment made on the installation of the ICR Sircot Green Crematorium can be repaid after about 100 cremations. ICR Sircot has provided sustainable solution for the recurring environmental menace which arises due to crop residue burning in the fields and fetch an additional income to farmers through sale of agro biomass. Nagpur Municipal Corporation in the state of Maharashtra has already installed ICR Sircot crematorium at Ambazhari Ghat crematorium, and many cremations have been done effectively using briquettes made from cotton stalk and other agro residues. The institute has given non-exclusive license for manufacturing of ICR Sircot green crematorium to Messrs. Vidarbha Cells, Nagpur. Thus, ICR Central Institute for Research on Cotton Technology, Mumbai, a premier research institute under aegis of ICAR, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, in continuation of its legacy of developing unconventional, renewable and eco-friendly technologies for better and wiser utilization of cotton and its byproducts, has come forward yet again with an opportunity for mankind to protect Mother Nature by going green in life and after.